SICIM OCMMS, Online Consent Management and Monitoring System, is a web-based application for consent management developed for the State Pollution Control Board, SICIM, online industry registration process. Search skocmms.nic.in once the portal is opened. Click New Industry Registration. New registration form will be displayed. User should select the type of establishment they want to register, whether it is industry, stone crusher, hotels, garage, etc. Once selected, fill the mandatory industry details like name, type, category, gross capital investment in lakhs. That is, if your capital investment is 5 lakhs, write only 5, and if it's 70 lakhs, write only 70, and so on. Once completed the industry details, go to the Occupier Details tab and fill all the details like occupier name, designation, and so on. Marked fields are mandatory. Once completed, click Save. Once submitted, system will validate the input data. If data filled by applicant is correct, then system will generate username and temporary password and will be displayed on screen. The industry user ID starts with capital letter, followed by numbers as shown. Click on this print text to get online industry registration receipt. It will help user to reset the password if forgotten. Now go back to home page and log in as industry user with this user ID and password. Firstly, it gives change password page as shown. Change your password immediately after first log in. Now log in again as industry user using the user ID and new password. After login, industry user get this home page. On the left-hand side, click Apply for Consent and select Consent, type CTE, Consent to Establishment, or CTO, Consent to Operate. Application for new, modernization, or expansion, whether hazardous waste applied or not. Click on each tab and fill all the required information. Marked fields are mandatory. Fill all details in other tab. Mark all the fields that are not relevant as NA. User should save the application time to time in progress mode to save his application in draft mode. Now click on Product to add product details. Click Water Emission/Discharge to add water emission/discharge details. User can view or delete the submitted details through View and Delete button. Then, click on Air Emission, click on Add, and fill the details. Now click on Documents to upload relevant documents like attested copy of land papers, detailed project report, and so on. The documents are to be uploaded in PDF format. Then click on Save after uploading the relevant documents. Now go to the Fee section, enter number of years, and click on Calculate. To calculate the fee, amount will be auto-generated, and then click on the Add to Add details of consent fees. Click on the Completed button after your complete application for final submission, and then click on Save button. Now, confirmation window will open as shown. Click on Proceed to submit the application, and click on Add to submit the payment and bank details. Please note that your application will not be submitted unless the payment has been made. Now, select your payment mode net banking/credit/debit cards or NEFT/RTGS and click Submit and make the payment. After submission, application number will be received and application goes to SPCB for further action. Please note the application number that appears. Click on Home to see the dashboard of industry. Industry can see the in-progress and completed consent applications from the dashboard. Take printout of application form by clicking on Application Number. Click on Print to download PDF file of the application form. If any clarification is raised by the SPCB office, the letter C appears as shown aside. Click on C, a pop-up will appear as shown. The pop-up displays the details of clarifications raised. Click View Report to view any document uploaded by the SPCB office. Industry can send reply for clarification in the same window by typing in the note. And document can be uploaded by clicking Choose File. Click Save to complete reply. If status is displayed as returned, click on View Reason. You will get on pop-up with application return details along with return description. In this case, the description is to fill up the form completely. So, complete the form and resubmit it. Once the consent granted, you will see Granted status. If industry wants to view or download the certificate, click on Application Number. Steps to edit or delete in-process application. If you encounter a mistake on the registration page during registration, please log in to your user ID. Navigate to the industry profile and click on Edit Mode. Make the necessary corrections, which may include details such as the industry type, capital investment, or industry name, and subsequently click the Save button to ensure that the changes are recorded. If applicant wants to delete any application which is in progress, state. There is an option to delete those unwanted applications. Click on View Delete in Progress Applications and then select the desired application to delete. Steps to renew application. Log in using your user ID and password. Once logged in, on the left-hand side, click Apply for Consent and select Consent. Type CTE, Consent to Establishment, or CTO, Consent to Operate, Application for Renew and whether hazardous waste applied or not. After that, click on Next and fill the mandatory form, followed by payment.